Good morning, children. This lesson is of class 8 for the subject of mathematics. The topic is factorization, which is covered in chapter 4 of algebra. It is submitted to you on 21st December 2020. Students, we have already discussed about what are the factors, what are the terms, what are the coefficients. In this chapter, we are going to discuss that how can we factorize the given expressions, given algebraic expressions. So, let us start our topic. The first question we are going to factorize, that is 5x minus 125y. Now, children, whenever we factorize any algebraic expression, always see first that is there any common numerical value or is there any common variable. So now let us see how can we see common variable or common numerical value. Now this is 5x. Now 125 can be written as 5 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply y. Now from here you can think very easily that 1 5 is here, 1 5 is also here. So it means these two are common. So can I take 5 as common? Common means I am just keeping it outside the bracket, and inside the bracket I will write all those terms which are left after taking common. So now 5 is taking common from here and from here also. Now 1 5 I have taken common. So what is left here? Yes, only we are left here with x minus. Now this 5 I have taken common. So what is left? Yes, 5 multiply 5 multiply y, that is 25y. Now children, before stopping, just check once again that is there any term which we can take common? No. Now there is no other term we can take common. So this will be your final answer. Clear? The next question is ax plus bx plus cx. Now we have to factorize this. Factorize means take the factor common. Now what is common in all these? Yes, x is common in all the terms. Here also, and here also. So x I will take common. Now I will put the bracket. Now inside the bracket I will write all those terms which are left after taking x as common. So x is common here. I am left with a plus x I have taken. So what is left? B here. X is taken common. What is left? C. So this is your final answer, because now there is no other term left which we can take common. The next question is factorize ax minus x square minus bx plus ab. Now children, if you see carefully, there is no term which is common in all. Now in that case, we think about the pairing. What we will do here, we will start pairing. Pairing means we will take two terms at a time. Now you have to think here which two terms will take as a pair. Now see, it's very easy and it is very clear from here that we will take these two terms as one pair and these two terms as other pair. Now, if you see here what is common, let us write it first like this. Now, x square can be written as x multiply x minus bx plus ab. Now, ax is here, x into x is here. So what is common here? Yes, x is common here. So what we get inside? That is a minus 1x is common. So what is left? That is x. Now, in this pair, what is common? Yes, b is common. So, plus b is common here. So, b I have taken common. So, what is left? Minus x. Minus x. Plus, now b is common. So, what is left? A. Now, very important step. After taking common from both the pairs, you have to see this. These two brackets, are they same? Yes, they are exactly same. How? See, this is a minus x. And if you see carefully, this is also a minus x. So now these two brackets are same. It means this whole bracket I can take common. So a minus x is common here. So what I left with? I am left here with x. This I have taken common plus b only, because this I have taken common. So now this is your final answer. Now the next question is, we have to factorize 2a square minus a square b minus bc square plus 2c square. Now again we will do the pairing. Pairing of these two terms and pairing of these two terms. Why have done the pairing like this? Because if you see carefully, a raised to power 2 is here, a raised to power 2 is here. Means a raised to power 2 is common in these two terms. In the same way, c square is here. C square is common in these two terms. So now a square is common in these two terms. So what is left here? That is 2 minus a square I have taken common. So what is left? B. Now c square means c square is common here. So now what is left? Minus b plus c square is common. So what is left inside? Yes, this is 2. Now again see this carefully that these two terms, are they same? Yes, they are same, because this can also be write as 2 minus b. So now 2 minus b bracket is here and 2 minus b bracket is here also. So 2 minus b is common. So what is left? A square plus c square. So this is your final answer. Now again see the next question. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms. And how many pairs we can make here? Yes, 3 pairs. So this is your first pair, this is the second, and this is your third pair. So now, what is common in these two terms? Yes, 2m. What is left inside? n square p. Now, 2m we have taken common. So what is left here? Don't write 0. We are left with 1. Nothing means 1. Now, see the next pair. Now see n raised to power 2 is here and n raised to power 1 is here. Which is smaller? N raised to power 1 is smaller, because n raised to power 2 can be written as n into n. So can I take 2 common? Yes. Can I take n raised to power 1 common? Yes. So what is left? This is common. Leave it. Here there are 2n and 1n I have taken common. So 1n is left behind. And then p minus this whole I have taken common. So what is left here? Yes, 1. Now, there is 2p, that is p raised to power 2. Means p is coming here 2 times. And here p is raised to power 1. So can I take p raised to power 1 as common? Yes. So what is left here? 1 minus n square p. Fine. This is clear? Students, there is not n square, there is n cube. So, after taking n raised to power 1 common, means there are n coming 3 times. 1 time I have taken common, So how many times is left? 2 times. Now, let us check all the brackets are same. This is n square p minus 1. This is also n square p minus 1. But this is 1 minus n square p. The sign negative should be here, not here. So what we will do to make all the brackets same, there is one way. See very carefully. Let us write all this as such first. N square p minus 1. Now what we will do? We will multiply the whole term with negative sign. We can do this. Or you can also say that take negative sign common. Now how can we take negative sign common? You will think negative is only here, not here. But students, if you see carefully, 1 can be written as minus 1. Yes, because minus is plus. Minus n square p. Now this whole will remain same. I am not writing it again. Now minus is here. Now see, minus is here. So can I take common? Yes. So plus was already there. Negative I have taken common. So plus minus now will become what? Minus. P. Now one negative sign I have taken common. So what is left? One negative sign. That is minus 1. And this negative sign common. So what is left? Plus. No sign means plus here. N square p. Now children, see carefully. There is n square p minus 1. There is n square p minus 1. And there is also n square p minus 1. So, can I take n square p minus 1 common? Yes. So, what is left? 2m plus 2n minus p. So, there is no other term which we can take common. So, this is your final answer.